Goa Investment Promotion Board has granted approval to 12 new industrial units and 9 expansion proposal of the existing manufacturing units during 23-24. The total investment expected from these activities is rupees 698 odd crore, with the proposed employment potential of 5,568 persons. Goa IPB has diligently worked with 40 plus state departments to implement 300 plus reform points as mandated by Department of Promotion of Industry and International Trade, Government of India. Under the MSME Samadhan delayed payment monitoring system to micro and small enterprises, 58 applications have been reported in the current financial year up to November 23 with an amount of rupees 746 lakh, of which 22 applications have been disposed of amounting to rupees 105 odd lakh. Under the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program scheme,
subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.